Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn a new poem. The name of the poem is Bear. Before beginning this poem, let's match the animals with their names. Observe these pictures of animals. There are 4 animals. Read the words given below. Deer, tiger, cow, duck. Where is deer here? Match the deer with the picture. Match the tiger word with the picture. Cow and duck. Okay, these are the animals. Now we are going to learn a poem which is based on a bear. The whole poem describes about the bear. Have you seen bear? How does it look? Hairy animal. What do you know about this bear? Where does this bear live? Bear lives in den or caves in thick forest. Okay, and what does it eat? Bear like to eat honey and fish. In this picture you can see this bear is eating fish, catching fish from the lake and eating. This whole poem describes the bear. Okay, let's read the poem. I'm going to read the poem, you repeat it after me. Okay, big bear, hunting near the trees, feasting on the honeycomb made by busy bees. Big bear, wading in the lake. Fish is your favorite dish. Which one will you take? Big bear, resting in your den, sleeping through the winter before you are out again. Once again, read the poem. Big bear, hunting near the trees, feasting on the honeycomb made by busy bees. Big bear, wading in the lake. Fish is your favorite dish. Which one will you take? Big bear, resting in your den, sleeping through the winter before you are out again. Let's see the first stanza of this poem. This poem is about a bear. How is a bear? Bear कसा है? Big bear. It is a big. Big word is a describing word used for a bear. Hunting near the trees. Feasting on the honeycomb made by busy bees. Who makes honeycomb? Who makes honey? Bees. Bees make honey. And where does bee live? Bee live in a beehive and makes a honeycomb. And this bear having feasting. Feasting means मेजवानी. कशाची मेजवानी घेतो तो? तर honeyची. Okay? Understood the meaning of these 2 lines? And it hunts near the trees. Where does the bear live? Bear lives in a forest, thick forest where there are many trees, and on trees where there is a honeycomb. Because this bear like to hunt honeycomb, like to eat honey. The next paragraph. Big bear, wading in the lake. Fish is your favorite dish. Which one will you take? The poet is telling about the big bear, that this big bear is landing in a lake. This is a lake. Lake means tala. Okay. This big bear is in a lake and it's wading. Wading means walk with effort through water or another liquid. Means walk through something filled with the water. It's wading. How does the duck wad? You know ना? Duck कसं पाण्यामध्ये पोहतं. In this way, it's like wading. Means here you can take the meaning as wading means डुलत चालणे. Okay? Wading in the lake. And what is the favorite dish of this bear? The favorite dish is fish. And the poet is saying, take which one will you like. The bear is telling, the poet is telling to the bear, which one will you take? Take any one, this fish. So bear is eating fish. What do we come to know through this 2 stanza of this poem? Bear likes to eat honey and fish. Okay. Now the next paragraph or the last paragraph of this poem. Big bear, resting in your den. Where is the big bear resting? Resting means आराम करणे. The big bear is resting in his den. Den means guha, caves. Okay, in a caves. Slipping through the winter before you are out again. Here you are it is. A is omitted here. You are. During winter season it's too cold. So the bear sleep in a den means have rest in a den. Do not go out. And after winter it's come out again. Now I'm going to ask you some questions. What is the describing word used for the bear? What is the describing word? Big is the describing word used for the bear. How is the bear? Big bear. Okay. Where does this bear live? Bear lives in a den or caves. Okay. What does bear eat? Bear eat honey and fish. And where does it rest during winter season? It rests in a den. Why? Because winter is so cold. So it rests in a den. And after winter it's come out. Understood the meaning of this poem? Did you like this poem? Read this poem and recite it well. Okay?